That lasts pretty long, that Bowie.
I remember when I
They never used to be that long, did
wrote
they?
my name with
No,
the
back in the
sparkler
day.
in the
didn't
air.
they?
I remember when I wrote my name in the air with the sparkler.
Do that with this one, I'll do that.
I wrote my name. Itchy. Itchy.
There you go.
1 second, I need to put my glove back on.
You used to do the bonfire thing with your mum, did you?
No.
Never used to go.
No.
You used to go to West Park.
Do I write my name in the air?
Go on. Hold your arm straight out. That's it. The ones back in the day used to be half that size. They'd be 8 by now. That's it, that's dead now, isn't it? Yeah.
Are you filming it yet? Oh,
So that was quick.
yeah. Oh, you got big ones, they go boom! The big holes are for the big ones, there's big holes near the top.
First.
Oh no. Scared me. This is a big one.
You like that one? You like that
It's
one?
loud. It's cooking at the window. Christmas colours again. It's going all everywhere.
Go again.
Maybe this light doesn't allow me to bring it.
Where'd it go?
It's up there. It's
On.
Christmas colours.
Oh, there's some blues. Purple.
I think that's just blue. Wow. I
We're
think
getting this one next year.
Yes.
What is the last little frame thing before we go to the big one?
I don't know why I'm leaning in the water.
I'll just wait. Wait till it's finished.